All right, guys, this is the 1122 Wingnut Radio, and it's dark out, and I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's almost a lot of my neighbors are shooting on fireworks. I love it. It's awesome. It's one of the things I love about it, is that we as Americans, by God, we will be free. We will be free. This communist agenda, this communist, look, Jad's going nuts. She hears all the explosions. She's going nuts. These commies are not going to take us down. They are not going to do it. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'll see here, be real quiet, listen. That's right. Just going freaking nuts. These fucking communists are not going to take us down. We as Americans, we will be free. We will be free people. If these people decide, if they think they're going to take us down and destroy this country and destroy our values, destroy our American patriotism, they got another goddamn thing coming. Explosions all over the place. To me, it sounds like freedom. I don't know if you guys can hear it out there or not, but it's like the whole area out here, somebody's doing a little bit of something. You know, and even me, I mean, you know, hell, I shot my gun off a few times just to get into the spirit. I don't have any fireworks. All I got is shoot off a few rounds and be done with it. I'm good. But Jazz is kind of going nuts about it. She hears all the explosions. She's going a little crazy about it. I want you guys all out there to be, oh, wait a minute. Ooh, there's some. There's some. Gosh, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep. Got Jazz going, man. Got Jazz going. She's just crazy, going crazy over all the fireworks. Listen, y'all. This is the 1122 Wingnut Radio. And I'm sorry, it's nothing but darkness on the video right now. But it's dark out. I got the flash, I got the light on, you know, but you can't really see anything. There's some more. There's some fireworks. Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Look at that. Yep. Making Jazz just go freaking crazy. Well, y'all, I want y'all to remember that we are a free people. We are born. Oh, god damn! You running straight into me and about knock me over. Damn, knock my damn shoe off. Where in the hell did my damn shoe go? Ugh. She's running around like a maniac. Yep. Yep. The sound of freedom right there, buddy. It's the sound of freedom. That's the sound of a free people saying, fuck you, we're going to have our celebration. We're going to celebrate our independence. Fuck you and your goddamn communist bullshit. You will not suppress us. You will not divide us. We will be a people. We will be a strong people. This is not going to end the way they think so. It's not going to end how they think so. I don't care what crap they pump into a quantum computer, and they've done all these damn tests and stuff and ran all these scenarios, and they think they know the outcome of what's going to happen. No. I tell you, man. Y'all out there listening, y'all stay strong. Y'all stay dangerous and free. Alright, and carry a weapon. It's the 1122 Wingnut Radio out here in my yard, listening to the explosions off in the distance from all my neighbors living like free people and celebrating our independence from the tyranny of Britain. And by God, I can just imagine what holiday and what festival and what celebrations we're going to have when we win against tyranny of today. I can't wait to see. It would be so, I mean, it's going to be amazing, in my opinion. I could just imagine the type of celebrations we're going to have when we have defeated the tyranny of today. It's going to be glorious, I think. So, the 1122 Wingnut Radio and Jazz. We're out listening to the freedom. And she's barking at the fireworks. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. But it's everywhere. I love it. It's like all around me. I got people over to my left, in front of me, out to my right. Neighbors all over here in this area shooting off fireworks or some sort of stuff. It's awesome. I just can't wait to see what kind of celebrations we're going to have when we have defeated the tyranny of today. Remember, you're not alone. You might think you are. You might feel like it, and the powers that should not be want you to feel like you're alone. Remember, you're not alone. There's others like you. There's others like me. And we all want to be free. And we will be. May the 4th be with y'all. 1122 Wingnut back out.